Hey guys, it's Jennifer with Makery, and today I'm going to be doing a cake challenge video. So on this video, I got some cakes from a grocery store and I'm going to scrape the icing off them and create something awesome. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, rate and comment, and also hit that bell so you'll be notified on my videos when I post them. Let's get started. Here are my store-bought cakes. I got 4 cakes so I can do a 2-tier and have a nice height. I'm going to start by scraping off the icing on these cakes, and of course when I wanted to do this challenge, the only cakes they had at the store are covered in a gazillion sprinkles. But that's okay, we're going to work with this and use that icing for the center and crumb coat. Once all the icing is off, I'm using a cake board to cut out the bottom and top layers. Next, I'm just using the icing I scraped off the cake to fill the inside. And I ran out of my really big piping bags, so I'm working with these small bags. But I highly recommend to use a big piping bag, or either you're going to be like filling up a whole bunch of little tiny bags with icing. Now while my bottom tier is in the fridge, I'm going to start on the top and cover it with icing. I put the top tier in the fridge to let that icing set. And now I'm going to fill out this bottom layer with some extra sprinkle-free icing that I made so I can have a nice smooth finish. And back in the fridge that bottom tier goes. Now I'm going to do the same with the top. It's important to note that when working with cakes, it's very important to keep them cool. Refrigerate them as much as needed because it makes it so much easier to ice them. When they get warm, the butter moves around, the cake can slide, and it's just a headache. Here, I'm just smoothing my icing, trying to get those edges nice. Okay, now to make this cake beautiful, I got some fresh flowers. I'm gonna cut these, add some floral tape, and arrange them on my cake. So after letting the cakes refrigerate, I decided that they would look even better if they were blue, and plus it's my favorite color. So I added some gel color to my icing, and I'm gonna add a layer of this blue icing to the cake. Now this part makes me nervous, stacking the cake. My camera wasn't recording, but I did add dowels in the bottom tier to support the top. Last, I'm going to add the fresh flowers. voila! So this challenge was so fun to do. Although if I had to make a cake for an occasion, I would definitely bake it myself and not go this route. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And let me know down below, would you just bake a cake from scratch or use a box cake and decorate it? Or would you actually go to the store, buy ready-made cakes? Let me know. Bye!